Number 4 is the ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera. The ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera is a superior monitoring solution designed to safeguard your property in 2024. Its crystal-clear 2K QHD video resolution provides 1.5 times more information than standard 1080p models, guaranteeing that every inch of your property is scrutinized and monitored. It has a 355 degrees pan, a 120 degrees tilt rotation, and a 4x digital zoom, giving it an ultra-wide viewing angle that eliminates blind areas and assures perfect monitoring of every corner. The integrated 4-die dual antenna supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, providing high signal penetration and a greater range for seamless connectivity. Say goodbye to frequent charging and expensive wiring installations because this camera is wireless. Its clever PIR motion detection reduces false alarms and is accompanied by a spotlight and built-in infrared lighting for outstanding color night vision up to 100 feet. It provides flexibility to meet your choices with dual storage options. Use a micro SD card, up to 128 gigabytes, not included, or enjoy free lifetime cloud storage. Furthermore, you'll enjoy peace of mind with ieGeek's substantial 2-year warranty and cutting-edge security features. Upgrade to the ieGeek Security Outdoor Camera for comprehensive and dependable home security. If you want to purchase this outdoor security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 5